Imagine this, you're editing your vlog and you're almost done, you're almost ready to export the video. You check the video one more time and you feel that something is off. And that is because you're missing some cinematic titles. A lot of big vloggers use them and they can really help to convey a message. Maybe what day it is, what you're doing, a bit of context to the scene. But there's one big problem, it takes quite a lot of time to create these cinematic titles. But I found a hack to create them really quick and I'm gonna show you. So I'm here in Adobe Premiere, so let's import some vlog footage first. I'm gonna click on import media and I have some footage here from my trip to Barcelona. So I'm just going to import a few scenes and then I'm going to create a new sequence by going to new item, sequence. Let's call this cinematic vlog. 25 frames per second. Okay. I'm going to double click on one of the footage just to see what point I need. I just need a few seconds. I'm going to include the audio because I like that. And I import my footage by double clicking on the video, then setting an in point by hitting I and then O to set an out point. We have another shot here. Very nice. They're not perfect. They're not graded yet. So let me quickly add a grade to this. Let's go to window, lumetri color, and then I'm going to use the input lot log to rec 709. Perfect. And I'm going to do the same on this. So we at least don't look at this ugly footage. Now that we got the foundation done, let me show you how to create those titles. So I'm going to go to window and then I'm going to go into the new Adobe Stock window. And if you don't see this, update your Premiere. There we go. It opens here in the top right and I'm going to go to video templates and I'm going to search for cinematic title. You can also just search for title, and with cinematic title, there's some that are really cinematic. However, for example, I like this stark heavy brutalist. I think that's cool. I also like this text animator 4. This text animator 8 is also cool. This motion title is also cool. I'm gonna go for this brutalist grain one. And as you can see, there's a download button. We can press on that and then we can use a credit to license it. Now there's a way to get unlimited credits and that's because there's an unlimited subscription. I will show you quickly how to get that. Once you go to stock.adobe.com, you can see in the top right a explore plans button. We can click on that and as you can see there's an unlimited plan where you have unlimited downloads. I'm gonna get that. That's it. Agree and subscribe. There we go. Now we have the unlimited plan. So if we now go back to Premiere and let's find that cool title that we want and we hit download, it will just say download has been requested and no credits will be used. We can download all of the templates that we want. That's the cool thing about unlimited. So for example, also this one, let's download it. There we go. Another one. But let's start out with that brutalist title. I'm gonna just drag that in and I'm grabbing it from the graphic templates window. That should automatically open when you downloaded a template. If it doesn't, you can always go to window and then graphics templates. Let's drag this to the left and let's adjust this. And to do so, let's click on the title. Let's go to the properties and here we can change the source text to the location where we are, Barcelona. There we go. I'm gonna have to decrease the font size a tiny bit to make sure it's in the screen. And also I don't like this font. This is just a standard font. And that is because the font that was included is not synced yet. And to do so, we can just right click it, hit sync missing fonts, and then it will sync the font if it's an Adobe font. I'm gonna use this font for now, heavy. I like it heavy. Scale it down a bit. And then in the animation control, we have a few settings. You can change the animation type to words. There's a grain, there's text jitter, and there's blur on it. That really adds texture to this text. As you can see, it will add this cool grain effect. It will make it move a bit and it adds a bit of a blur. And we can of course also change the blur to be a bit less, but that is what makes this title look so cool. We can even change the animation type to letters. And then if we play this back, we have this cool typewriter effect. Let's now add the other text animator in for the second scene. So I'm just gonna drag that in. As you can see, a completely different vibe, way more modern, I would say, but still looks really cool. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna scale it to my frame size to make it a bit bigger. Then I'm going to click on my video and I'm going to turn down the opacity to maybe 50 or something. Of course, we need to go to the text animator and then to the properties again, because I need to go into the text settings and in the text, I need to change the text to Barcelona, not to Tokyo. And then here we can, for example, say Monday 01/01/2026. And in this animator, we can't change the animations. However, we can, of course, change the text itself. Some text settings also with the colors. For example, we can make this maybe a bit more dark. And then you get something like this. And as you can see, it's so easy to create these cinematic titles using Adobe Stock. And now that there's an unlimited subscription, you can even download all of these templates, try them out and see which one works best. So do check out the new Adobe Stock panel in Premiere. There's also a link to Adobe Stock in the description. Then of course, don't forget to subscribe and then I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.